Yo, yo, yo! Memorial Day is soon. It's a day where we honor and remember those of the U.S. Army who have served and kicked the bucket. Ooh, that was a bit brash. Those of the U.S. Army who have served and passed on. So I'm going to put together something in honor of them and the day, and maybe inspire you for your next get-together. Welcome to Mama Reubo's Kitchen. Now, I must say, I've never really paid attention to Memorial Day, but now that I think about it, like, these men and women literally are putting their lives on the line so that I and you, the viewer, can, like, have the freedom to be who we want to be and do what we want to do. So I'm going to honor them by doing what I love. So, to the men and women of the U.S. Army who have served and passed on, I salute you. I'm going to be making these berry shortcake trifles, which are perfect for spring or any get-together, and they're patriotically themed. I'm going to start with the strawberries, which I'm just going to chop off the tops and then quarter them. I'm going to place them into a bowl and add about 1/2 cup of sugar. And then I'm just going to mash them up just a bit, just so that they release their juices. And then those juices will mix with the sugar to create this nice, fresh strawberry syrup. And we're going to set that aside, and we're going to work on the blueberries. Now, I just have a bunch of blueberries here, and to that, I'm also going to add some sugar, but just about 1/4 of a cup. And then just a little bit of lemon juice, about a tablespoon. And then I'm just going to do the same. I'm going to mash them up as well. And then I'm going to set those aside. And we're going to let the strawberries and the blueberries sit for about 30 minutes. Now, while those are steeping and making beautiful syrups, now we're going to work on the shortcake. So for the shortcake, we're going to sift together all of our dry ingredients. I have 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and just a pinch of salt. We're just going to get those sifted into the bowl. And then we're going to add 1 1/2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Now, what we're going to do is we're just going to mix this until it's just combined. You do not want to overmix it. So once everything just kind of clumps together, then you know you're done. So I have a baking dish here that I've greased. I'm just going to pour the batter into that. Just spread it out a little bit. And then this goes into a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. And you'll know when it's done when it's golden brown. Now we're gonna remove this, and you can either let it cool completely or slightly, whichever you prefer. And then we're just going to build these little trifles. Now I have these little plastic cups, which are perfect for party situations. That way everyone just kind of has their own individual cup. But you can also do this in a large dish as well. Now I'm gonna start by crumbling some shortcake on the bottom. And then I'm gonna add some of the strawberries. And this way the shortcake will soak up the syrup, which is going to be delicious. And then I just have some strawberries I'm gonna put on the outside just for a little bit of flair. And then I'm gonna add a dollop of whipped cream and then spread that out. And then I'm gonna top that with the blueberry syrup. And then on top of that, I'm gonna just crumble up some more of the shortcake. All right, I'm gonna finish with another dollop of whipped cream. And I'm gonna just garnish it with some of the blueberries and a fresh strawberry. And then enjoy. This is perfect. This is deliciousness in a cup. Again, to the men and women who have served in the US Army, to you. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment below any Memorial Day ideas that you have, as well as how you would go about honoring them on Memorial Day. You can connect with any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.